Today I am gonna show you how to get GeForce Experience. Go to GeForce Experience app download page. Link is in the description of a video. Click on Download Now button. Wait until the software is downloaded. Run GeForce Experience Setup as administrator. Click on Agree and Install button. You must have Nvidia account to use GeForce Experience app. Create a new account for free or sign in if you already have one. GeForce Experience keeps your drivers up to date, automatically optimizes your game settings, and gives you the easiest way to share your greatest gaming moments with friends. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.